Good morning, and I am Sherry Martin. I'm from Decatur, Alabama, and I am a future executive senior sales director. And I just want to go over some things that I think are very important, especially when you're new, when you're doing a facial. So we take it for granted that consultants read and know exactly what to pack for their facial. But I am finding that a lot of women are not getting on board with packing for a facial because they don't know what to put in there. So I just do mine very, very simple, but put it all together. I don't pack all the different things separately. I put it all in one bag and I get the next one ready for one bag. That way I can pull out this bag, this mesh bag, and it's totally ready for a facial except for putting the product inside the inserts. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start with a mesh bag. I am going to take my inserts. Now, I have several inserts that I put into my trays. If I'm doing a woman over 40, then I do the time-wise repair sheet. If I'm doing someone that's younger, then I go by this sheet. And then if I am doing a hydro session, I usually use this sheet. Okay, so I just keep them all in one tray on top of each other. That way it's ready with your little demonstrator tray. It's ready to go. And that way you're not looking for them every time you need one. They're always under your tray. So just, it's worth the time to take the time to put all of those things in there ready to go in case you have a woman over 40, which most of my customers are over 40. So because they have more money and they also care more about their skin. So that's just my preference. All right, then you put your mirror in there, insert that. It looks like this. And when you get ready to set it up, you just pop the mirror up. And you've got everything in there that you need. Okay, that's the first thing I slip in my bag. I put that in my bag. The next thing I put in my bag is a headband. I prefer a small headband. They pack easier. You can get these 6 for $1 at Dollar Tree. And I just stick a little headband in there. And that way I can keep them washed and I don't take up much room in my laundry and also in my bag. I pack an ink pen. I use some of the old demonstrator blush brushes so I can sterilize those and keep them clean. Q-tip, mascara wand, lip brush, sponge tip applicator. That goes in there. Then I use a cotton pad. Now, if you're going to use micellar water too and double cleanse, you can cut this cotton pad in half, one for eye makeup remover and one for micellar water, okay? So I slip that in there. An eye card. I bring extra eye cards in case they want to change them out, but I usually ask them what color their eyes are, and then I kind of match and ask them if they're glamour or natural girl. So that way I have an eye card, eyeshadow, lip color, and your blush ready. The next thing that I do is I go ahead and put their profile, I fold it, and their sales ticket. Now I control the sales ticket, but I pack it in their bag so that I don't have to carry loads of sales tickets with me. So I put that in my bag. So you may want to make notes on this or go back and watch it again. And then I put my washcloth in there. That way I am completely ready to take off for a facial and I don't have to pack loads of stuff. If I'm doing one facial, I can grab out one of these out of my bag and I'm ready to go. And I'm not having to carry all that extra stuff. Now, if I've got 10 faces, then I carry 10 of these ready. And so when I'm putting them out, they're ready. So all I have to do is set them out real fast and I'm ready to put the product in the tray, lay their placemat underneath, and I'm kicking. So anyway, this is my tip for the day. I hope you enjoyed that. But packing for a facial is so easy, but if you get it done ahead of time, you don't frustrate over getting everything ready and forgetting something. And I'm the type person, I got to have it ready. So anyway, you have a great day. You have a great rest of the weekend. And there's going to be more. Thank you.